So I'm going to make a quick salsa this morning and guacamole. And it's going to be a mango salsa. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to need. Some cilantro. I'm going to need the mangoes, lemon and lime. And then as well as, if you like spicy, some Serrano chilies. Depending on how spicy you like it, depends on how much you use and whether or not you use the seeds. I like it a little spicy, so I'm going to use probably 2. We'll see. And then some avocados. Okay, and then of course salt and pepper to taste. So I will show you how easy it is to make a quick, easy mango avocado salsa that's nice, cool, and refreshing for your summer barbecue. So the hardest thing about mango is cutting it. Most people use a knife to cut the skin off, but you end up taking a lot of the actual mango off. So I like to use just a regular potato peeler to peel it. See how thin the slices come off? Most of your mango, stays on the mango. And then you're able to kind of cut around the seed. And the seed is actually not that big. And get a lot of mango rather than cutting your mango with a knife and then leaving most of your mango on your skin. So once I cut this up, I'm going to dice this up into kind of bite-sized pieces. Not too big, but not too small. Enough so you can taste it. So next you're going to take some cilantro and you're going to take the leaves off, right? Off the stems. And then go ahead and dice it, cut it up. So it'll look like this, and your stems will look like this. And go ahead and cut it up, and you're just going to go ahead and add that to your bowl of mango. And again, it just depends on, how much you like. There's no set amount. Depends on how much you're making. I'm just making a small amount here. So I only used a little bit of cilantro, and I've used 1 mango so far. So I'm going to see how that goes before I add another one. So I used 1 Serrano Chilli, and that's it cut up. And it depends on how much you like to taste your chilies. I cut them pretty thin, and I only used 1. And I deseeded mine just to make sure that it wasn't too spicy. So, like I said, it depends on how much you're making and how spicy you want it as to how many you would use. But for the amount that I'm making, 1 is probably sufficient enough. Okay, so another key ingredient is the avocado. And I'm going to use 1.5 avocados. So I've already cut them, taken the pit out, and diced them up. And you just keep them diced because you want to be able to taste it. You don't want it to be smooth like guacamole. It's not supposed to have that consistency. You're supposed to actually be able to taste the avocado. So this is how the avocado looks diced close up. So all you have to do now is take your knife and run it through the edges of the avocado and dump it in the bowl. And you leave actually most of the avocado in the bowl and not in the actual avocado shell. So the next 2 ingredients is going to be the juice from the lime and lemon. And with all your ingredients in the bowl, the avocado, cilantro, serrano chilies, and the mango, you just add the juice. So, and this is good because it also helps the avocado from turning. Lemon juice and lime juice, if you didn't know that. And it depends, you're going to taste it after you mix to see. Uh-oh, got a seed in there. I'll grab it. And then you're just going to add some salt and pepper. I like to use sea salt and peppercorn pepper to flavor it. Okay, so once you've seasoned it, you just kind of use a fork to kind of stir it around, mix it. You don't want to mash the avocado, so you just want to kind of mix it and get it all mixed in, but you don't want to smash it. Okay, and then taste it, add some more salt and pepper as needed, and there you go, you have mango salsa. I would normally add onion to it, like probably a red onion, but the person I'm making this for doesn't like onion, so I'm not going to add it today. But you can add onion, you can add tomatoes if you like, just depends. So don't be afraid to add your own special ingredients to make this mango salsa all your own. It's good on shrimp tacos, fish tacos, carne asada. Just depends on what you like. Hope you enjoy.